Hey, I was hoping somebody could help me with this anvil here, identify some things on it. I just picked it up a couple weeks ago. It was a little bit rusty, you can see down here, a lot of rust. So I wire brushed it really good, except for on these back sides. I kind of like that rusty look, looks kind of cool. But looks like the top of it's in really good shape. There's a few dents and dings in her, but it's pretty smooth. Right there's not so good. There, but all in all, it's pretty cool. After I got done wire brushing it, I see these kind of like letters in there. You can see right there, it looks like a P. Right there, that kind of looks like an E. And I guess looks like a T. And that could be a possible another E. All the other letters are worn off. But if you look right here, you can see what looks like, where is it? Right there. A W. See that? W. That's all the letters I see on that. This is a W. And then down here, that looks like another P. And another A. And looks like a T. So I'm guessing this is a Peter Wright. Like, look at how it's all ground down up here a little bit, but down here it doesn't seem like it's ground on, you know? It looks like it's just worn out, like it's that old. Can't believe steel could wear out like that. But, you know, age like that. Pretty cool. Anyway, there's what I'm talking about. There's the weight of the anvil. Somehow you gotta figure out the weight. But I watched the videos on YouTube and I didn't see anything with a 0. A 20. So I don't know what that weight would be. Well, I know what it is. I know what the weight of an anvil is. I put it on the scale. But I want to see if anybody else can figure out what that means. And then leave me a comment and see if you get it right. Alright.